Hey, it's day 9. Welcome back, and I'm reading from the Tao Te Ching. We're in chapter 11, the power of the insubstantial. 30 spokes meet in the hub of a wheel, but it is the empty space at the center that makes it useful for a cart. Clay is used to make a pot, but it is the empty space within that makes it useful as a container. Windows and doors pierce the walls of a room, but it is the space within that makes it useful as a dwelling. Thus, things with substance are practical, but it is the insubstantial that is productive. My reflections are, what do I need to let go of to create usefulness in my life? What do I allow to fill me with? What do I allow inside me? And letting go of the old makes space for the new. That's the law of sacrifice. Empty of self, of ego. Ego is in the way of spirit. And if I do that, I'll make space for truth. When you feel empty, there's place for God to work. That's what I get out of this chapter. There's so much more though. But for now, I'm happy to just share this. Have a nice day.